Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video we'll be talking about this side hustle platform that pays you while performing tasks on it. So if it's what you're looking for, stay tuned and watch this video. So I have made over $4.1 performing tasks on this platform, and this is the withdrawal proof. So in this video I will show you guys how you can do exactly the same thing and also withdraw your earning. So before we start, please hit the subscribe button, and also you can join my Telegram channel using the link on the description box. In my Telegram channel I drop updates and other things that I cannot drop on YouTube, so that's why it's very important to join the Telegram channel. And also you can ask your questions and anything that you have issues on my Telegram channel. This is my dashboard. This is how it looks like. This is my balance, and this is my available FG coin, and this is the tasks that I have completed so far. So how do you perform tasks? Daily you will see your tasks at the hot tasks here. This is where you see it. I've made a video, a separate video on how to perform tasks, and I will link it to this video. So watch the video then.
So now this is how you can perform tasks. As you can see, I have over 2 tasks available. This is it, and this is the amount, and this is the FG coins I will receive, and this is the available queue. So you come here and click on start. So now let's proceed on doing this. The first one is repost Instagram post. Like this Instagram post. So now let's click on the like this Instagram post. So you click on visit. When you click on visit, look at it. They said go and visit, like the post, come back here and upload a screenshot to verify. So this is how you can do it. Copy the link. When you copy it, then go to Chrome, paste the link that we just copied, open on Instagram. So click on it to like. Then after liking, screenshot to let's go to the Telegram. So I'm back to the Telegram. There you click on continue to continue what you are doing. Then you click here to upload the screenshot that we took on Instagram. So let's click on it. Done. Then you click on submit for review. But before then you have to wait for them to load. Then submit. Submission screenshot submitted. So I'm going to wait for them to review it, then we'll receive our reward. You click on got it. Same procedure goes to this, and you see the available people. See it, they still need 129 people to do this task. 165 I've already done. It, so you have to hurry up before people will finish it. So the next task is Facebook. Repost Facebook post. Now let's click on it. Available people is 273 to complete the task. So let's join them to complete the task. So click on go visit. Then as we did the Instagram on, copy. What they ask us to do is to repost to our feed or any platform. Come back here to upload the screenshot. So now let's go to Chrome to paste what we copied. So I have pasted it. Let's search.
So guys, I was having issues while trying to log in on Chrome. So come to your Facebook, paste the link. Then after pasting the link, search it. Then you see the post. That is the first thing that will come out. When you see it, the next thing you're going to do is to share the post, like repost it in your page. So just click on that share button and click on share now. When you click on share now, you will repost it. Look at it, is posting.
Now let me go to my page and look for it. So this is my page. Now let's screenshot and upload. Then let's upload the picture. This is it. Done. Click on submit. Done. So now this one is read the Medium article. Remaining 12 people to complete. Let's go and read it. Copy. Go to Chrome. So paste the link in Chrome. Then they say we should stay here for 1 to 2 minutes. Let's just read it through. Then after read, so you screenshot, then go back to the boot. Let's upload many two people. People are really rushing the task. So let's post upload the screenshot. Then let's submit under review. So we have to wait for them to review it. Then you receive a notification that they have successfully reviewed it. So this is the task that we have done. Go to history. That's where you find your task. Checking 4 is under checking. So when they process it, I will receive it. I have completed this ones over 98 tasks, and I have made over $4.1 from this Telegram bot. History. So this is it. So when you take this thing serious, you actually get something from it. This is the activity section, daily ranking. This is daily task, and the event. There is no event available. So I know a lot of you will be asking, what is FG? So I will be explaining it here on this video. So FG, this FG coin, I have over 343.75 FG coins. So this FG coins is their token. So it's not yet listed. So when they list it and it will have value, we can now withdraw. So for now, it's just here. We are just collecting it. So make sure you collect it. How do you collect FG coins? Is by signing in daily and completing tasks. So each task you complete gives you an FG coin. Daily check-in gives you an FG coin. So when you go to activities, when you complete 3 tasks, it gives you plus 2 FG coin. When you complete 10 tasks, it gives you plus 5 FG coins. So they'll have a lot of ways to get FG coins. Tasking, as you can see, the task that I made, this is the FG coins they gave me. So very soon, they said when you join their channel, so that's where you'll be getting information. So very soon you see the value and you know how much this FG coin is.
So the invite helps in boosting your earning and you withdraw faster on it. So that's basically the main reason for inviting. You don't need to deposit. There is nothing like depositing or you depositing before you can get your money. And there is no withdrawal fee. Everything is free. So the minimum withdrawal on this platform is $2. So how do you withdraw? You go to your profile. If you have gotten over $2 on it, you go to your profile, you click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, you put the amount that you want to withdraw. Let's say you have over $3 on it, you click $3.1, 3.1 or $4, any amount that you want to withdraw. And if you check now, the next one is for you to copy your paste your BEP20 address. So how do you get your BEP20 address? If you are making use of any crypto wallet, go and copy your USDT BEP20 address. Or people that are using Spender and we don't want to store your crypto, you don't want to store it, you just want your naira. So I recommend you make use of Spender for withdrawing. So you can register on Spender. The link will still be on my description box. So download Spender, go to your Spender, copy your USDT BEP20 address, paste here, and put the amount that you want to withdraw, and you withdraw successfully without no gas fee. I'm so sorry, because some platforms charge gas fee while withdrawing, but this one doesn't charge. So all you need to do is to perform tasks on this platform. When you are done performing task, you make your withdrawal. It's so very simple as this. Basically how it works, no issues. And before you start earning, watch my previous videos on how you can bind. Make sure you bind your network, make sure you bind everything. If you want to bind people that registered new, you will see it. You bind your Twitter, you bind your Instagram, you bind your Facebook, you bind your your Google. You need to bind your Google, and you also need to bind your YouTube. So let's say you want to bind your Instagram now. They will tell you to put your Instagram username. So after putting your Instagram username, then you copy, read the instructions very well. You copy it, go to your Instagram description, your bio. Yeah, that's what they call Instagram on. So you go to your bio, paste that link there, then come back to verify on the platform. Same thing goes to the Facebook. You put your Facebook name, then after putting your Facebook name, you copy the link that they showed you there, go to your Facebook description box, that's your bio, paste it there, and come back to the FoxiGrow bot to verify. Then YouTube is you copying your UDI, that's your UD code. So how to get your UD code? For people making use of laptops or tablets, go to your YouTube studio, you will get it. Go to advanced settings, you will see your UD code. But if you are Android user like me, this is how you can do it. Just go to your Chrome, go to Chrome, then search for YouTube UD code. I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it well, but you see the right spelling when you want to link. Then when you search it on Chrome, so you go to YouTube, copy your YouTube link. When you copy your little link, you paste it there, and they will generate your UD code for you. So when they generate it, now copy it and paste it there. Then when you paste, they will tell you to copy the same link. That's your referral link. So you copy the same link and go to your YouTube description box. That's go to your setting, your YouTube channel. Make sure you have a YouTube channel. So even though you're not doing anything on the YouTube channel, just create one for yourself. And when you're done creating, go and paste the link on the description box, and make sure the link is at the top so that they will verify it faster. So when you are done verifying, use the same procedure on X account, that's the Twitter account. So this is how you can link and bind your social media accounts, and you can easily perform tasks. And also TikTok, do the same thing. Put your TikTok name. Then after putting your TikTok name, they will ask you to repost their video. Then after reposting, you come back to verify, and as easy as it. If you also have any issues, that's why it's important for you to join my Telegram channel. When you join, if you have any issue, you can just screenshot the problem and send to me, and I will reply you immediately. So follow this procedure and you will get your first payout. So if this video helped you, give it a big thumbs up. Drop your comment if you have joined any, and also if you have any issues, you can also drop it on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Let's keep earning.